video of it. Look at all the seagulls. No, that's it. No more, no more, no more. I just wanted to get video of all these seagulls attacking our lunch and our snack. Snack attack! This is what we did when we tried to throw one pretzel. Like, all the seagulls in the entire Virginia Beach area came to visit us, and they're fighting over stuff.
The one over there fell in the hole.
It did.
The boat of the sand trap.
Scare them away! Scare them away!
There's still a few more crumbs. They're not going to leave yet.
They're still coming. Are they gone now?
No.
Nope, they're still looking. Nope, no more stacks.
No, yes, more stacks.
No more. We're out of order. I don't want to get pooped on and everything. Look at Aaron, he's worn out from the boat. Go away! Go away! Go away, widgeons! Pigeons! Seagulls! Whatever you are! Rats with wings! I think you did a good job scaring them there, Josh.
Now you're a dirty bird.
Just a couple more snacks.